Welcome to Gufino's Science Corner. I'm Veronica, your friendly science guide, and today we're diving into some really exciting research about bilingualism and how it impacts brain development. We'll be reviewing an article titled The Effect of Bilingualism on Brain Development from Early Childhood to Young Adulthood. It was published in Brain Structure and Function on Springer in 2020. If you want to check out the full article, you'll find a link in the description below. Have you ever wondered what happens in a child's brain when they grow up speaking two languages? Well, according to this study conducted by researchers at the National Institutes of Health, a lot happens. Bilingualism actually shapes how our brains grow and develop. How cool is that? When kids are bilingual, their brains take a unique developmental path. One of the key areas we're looking at is gray matter. This is the part of the brain where most neuron cell bodies are found, helping with things like controlling our muscles, sensing what's around us, and making decisions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Research shows that bilingual children tend to hold on to more of that gray matter in certain areas of their brains as they grow older. While it's totally normal for kids to lose some gray matter during their late childhood and early teenage years, bilingual kids retain more of it, especially in regions responsible for language and cognitive control. Think of it as having extra brain muscle, ready to flex whenever needed. Bilingual kids juggle all of the different rules, sounds, and structures of both languages. So it's not just the ability to converse in two languages. It's a constant mental workout that keeps their brains sharp and adaptable. Every time they switch languages, it's like their brains are hitting the gym. Now let's talk about another important player, white matter. This part of the brain acts like a superhighway connecting different regions so that they can communicate. In bilingual brains, these highways are often in great shape, especially in areas linked to language processing and cognitive tasks. The outcome? Quicker and more efficient brain connections, which can lead to improved problem-solving skills and multitasking abilities. So why should you care as a parent or teacher? It's simple. Bilingualism is an amazing gift. Not only does it provide your child with the ability to speak multiple languages, it also gives their brain a boost, benefits that stick around well into adulthood. Encouraging bilingualism early on can be super fun and engaging with today's resources. You can find great learning toys, use fun apps, and read in a second language at bedtime to introduce multiple languages in a playful way. The opportunities are endless. As we navigate this increasingly global world, being bilingual is more than a cool skill. It's a valuable asset that shapes both brain development and future opportunities. So whether you're raising a little one in a bilingual home like mine, or just starting to introduce a new language, remember, you're building a brighter future for your child. Thanks so much for joining me on this brainy adventure at Gufino's Science Corner. Keep nurturing those bilingual brains one day at a time, and don't forget to subscribe to catch all our latest content. Happy learning!